We are about to head to Bimmerfest today, which is in Cayuga, the racetrack that we were at last video. Just met up with my boy Chris over here. He had the EM1 in the last video. This is his daily. Bagged. Not bad, pretty clean. Put some tire shine on because I was waiting for this guy for a hot minute because this guy said he's gonna leave at 7. It is currently like, well, it's currently 8:40. So I wasn't waiting until 7, I'll tell you that. But it'll be my first Bimmerfest. So we'll see how it goes. Should be a good day. Right here, pulled in. And welcome to M-Town. Look at that. That's a Kung Fu Panda livery on that Z4. That's pretty clean. Like right down there. Pretty cool. Got the whole banner and everything. I feel like royalty now. So at the park over here, Show and Shine's now on the grass over here instead of inside over there. So yeah, we'll check out the cars. I gotta find Chris because I don't know where the fuck he went. Yeah, we shall see. That's dirty. LS swap CLK. Cheers. Clean. Got a whole bunch of sick cars here. Man's got no trunk on the wide body 2000. This is insane. Too wide. I read it. This is nasty too. I know these seats are mad uncomfortable. Show and Shine, since I registered for Show and Shine, they gave me a bunch of goodies. Gotta put this on my dash. That is insane. We'll check that later. That's clean. It's not a Beamer, you're lost. Anyways, what the hell is this, bro? Man's got it too. What is even going on right now? I'm gonna walk back to my car. This is clean. Super clean. Man's got a little mini him, bro. Mini me. I read it. Dash, that's sick. LS swap, that's insane. Bro, that's crazy. Boy over here, this is Scooter Boy. Yo, say what up, Scooter Boy. Scooter Boy. You're Scooter Boy. Yeah. Not Honda Boy. Alright, he wants to go with Honda Boy. He's a Honda Boy.
No, just Chris. Just Chris.
Bro, this is amazing. This is like fair Beamers. This is like Beamer heaven right here. Later on, we're gonna scooter together, scooter around, and I'm gonna catch some content for you guys. What do we have here? We got Tony's Classics Marlboro Benz, bro. Sick, clean. Man's got the skeleton though, saying what up. That's clean. This is clean. Yo, he's got the, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a skateboard with his Benz on it. That's pretty sick. Nice stuff. And then we got Hector from Fast and Furious down there. Let's take a closer look at these for you Fast and Furious guys. Oh, we got the computer. Warning, danger to manifold. Yo, that's nuts, bro. Yo, but I think his manifold's still intact though, cause he got here. So I don't know what's going on, but man's got the rainforest in his trunk. smoke going in everything, bro. Insane. Bro, the leaves are going out of his trunk. Soon they're gonna be like, he's gonna close the trunk and the branches are gonna be sticking out, bro. Then the whole car's gonna be wrapped up in vines, bro. You already know the deal. Fat tire, American muscle cars, except for that, that's German. But all the dragster speed boys over here for the drag strip. Ooh, let's check out that 70. Oh, it's so hard to ride this with one hand. Let me try this. Look at this. Doll inside. Little Hello Kitty Asian cat with the moving arm thingamajiggy. R34 GTT, GTST, something. It's all good. It's pretty clean. Solid, bro. You're good. How's the Audi rocking? Clean. I like to play. Law bags. I like the livery on this. This is sick. I feel like it's aggressive, but like if you have the right setup, you can pull off this livery. I like it. It's clean. And this looks good. It's got the off-white too. I don't know what's going on with this doll. There's a guy. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of sus. I like that matte green. Got some M3s, M4s. Carbon front bumper. I'm not a big 5 Series guy, but yo, this is pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie, it's clean. This color goes hard. This is nuts. Huge turbo. The parachute in the back here, that's how you know. That's how you know. I like the plate. It's a nice plate. But when you have a chute in the back, too fast. Slow down. If you guys remember from the last video, we seen this at the car meet. This is clean too. Now I popped the hood. He's got some titanium in there. That's nuts. That's clean. That's clean. That is nice. I like it. I like what I see. M3s. Yo, I could have parked here, bro. Bro, they made me park on the grass when I could have parked here, bro. Look at this. This guy's fully stock and he parked here. Bomba Clyde. Ooh, this is nice. It's got the dining intake. Carbon fiber. Simple but clean. I like it. I like what I see here. These Beamer guys, they know what they're doing. Let's go check out the track. Run M4. Ooh, we got a little E82 action over here. Let's see. Man's over there. Bro, that first, what was it? E46 straight red line. dun, dun, dun. I want to see some drifting. When are they gonna start drifting? Straight twins, bro. They're like clones, dressed up and everything. Same hairstyle, everything. That's nuts. You van, bro. I don't even know these things existed. Imagine someone cuts that belt. GG. This is clean, white on white, bro. This thing's mint too. Like white usually gets like turned into brown, especially a car this old. That's nuts. White on white. It's got white wheels too. That's perfect. That's fucking nice, clean. All E30s have these wheels, but this white on white, triple white, bro. Yo. Found you a new Instagram, bro. If you're watching this video, rename your Instagram to triple white E30, bro. Got you with the sauce. I rate the plate. Bro, there's something about chrome wheels on a black car. Oh, he's only got the livery on that one side, so it's like switch back, you know? That's out of LZ. Just pit right there, right off the track. Like I just understeered into that ditch.
That's what it's for.
All bad.
So remember when I said that I was gonna slide with that?
That sucks. So it turns out I parked where all the drifters are. Not all the drifters, but like there's a couple of drifters. So you guys remember earlier, Panda Gang, Panda Livery? Yeah, there's 3 of them now, and they're pretty sick with it, I can't even lie. The guys across from me, they're all drifting. That over here is the LSCLK heat camps there. This thing's just hiding here. This is nuts. Bro, imagine sitting in that. Where's even the gear shifter? There's a race car for real. Bro, that's sick. How is he doing that? That's insane. Bro. that's it for me today. Bimmerfest was amazing. Clean 36 parked next to me, but that's besides the point. On this note, I'm gonna end the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And